Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing La Monkey. We're going to be doing the backrooms for this one. Whee! Let's go.
Yeah.
We're just going to be doing the backrooms and not any other level because these are going to be parts. So there's going to be the backrooms, then come over here. Then we're going to do all of these. We'll start with the backrooms. Let's go.
Okay.
This is one of the easiest levels.
I'm being teleported.
When we're doing this.
Yeah.
It's like literally the easiest. Because all you need to do is stay in and just wait 2 minutes. No!
What the hell?
And there is 2 bowls. But you have to stay out of the safe zone and wait for 3 minutes to go up. So we're just going to be doing parts. So there's going to be this one, another one. We might have to wait.
Oh my God.
I'm just going to stay up here. I'm just going to stay up here. I don't have any mods, but I'll be showcasing the start in the next one. There's the 2 bowls.
What are you up there for?
So I can
They're stuck.
Never mind. I got 2 minutes.
I'll go 2 minutes later.
Wait, I just had a brilliant idea. This is a brilliant idea. Look at how brilliant this is.
What did you do?
No, just come over here. They can't get us. Yeah, you can just do this.
How do I get up there?
Alright. You can even have one hand.
Oh my God.
So it's gonna be flashing after this when the timer goes down.
And the monster disappeared out of nowhere and jump scared me. And
So,
then
yeah.
died. What are you doing up there?
Waiting for the timer to go down.
I'm looking both directions to make sure I don't die. Because I nearly just died there. That was a fatality.
I got 1 minute left.
Stop, fam. Stay.
Oh yeah.
I know, right? Why is my finger stuck like that? I feel like you just...
I'm in the wall.
How was that then? Man.
Yeah, and there's a lot of things that you can do with I'm recording a video when I'm recording a video on this. This is confusing.
I see you recording a video. You see that? Monsters,
Yeah.
I bet you can't get me. Macaroni.
I got 10 seconds left.
I don't.
Oh my goodness, I have 0 seconds left. How much seconds do you have?
I don't. Let me see. 30, because I kept dying.
30?
The guy kept targeting me.
Okay, when your flashing light goes off, then I will get up. I'll go out too,
No,
because
so
mine is at 0 seconds, but it's not flashing the light. And say you just jump down here and you're scared. Don't worry.
Yeah.
It's just a thing and then you have to
9 seconds. I've got 9 seconds.
Really?
Yeah. Woo! Why is that camera flying away?
I don't know.
Oh, wait!
Okay.
Come on!
Here's a flashing light. And if you come, And turn around this corner. There should be an elevator. And that's it for the video.
Yeah, we did it.
We did it. See you in the next part.